Have potholes wreaked havoc on your vehicle? Have you noticed there is a shake in your steering wheel or possibly in your seat? Is your tire constantly losing air? Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble's Auto Service Center, and this is Stephanie.
Quite possibly, your vehicle can have a bent or cracked rim, and a damaged rim can also cause a thumping noise while you drive, or even cause uneven wear of your tire, which can make your vehicle hard to handle.
Absolutely. Do you know having your rim or possibly rims assessed to be determined if they need repaired? That's important because damaged rims can turn into more costly repairs.
And us here at Kneble's Auto would be more than happy to check them out for you and see if repairing them is an option.
Well, thank you for watching, because remember to also share our video and, of course, like us on Facebook.
But also remember, most importantly, watch out for those potholes!